So I have a few things to do today. I have to put up some laundry, have to make the bed. That is a Starbucks mug with a straw. I just finished my lemon water with apple cider vinegar. So I have a few things to do today. My son left yesterday for his spring break to his dad's house because he has him this year. So I have some strawberries in the refrigerator that are not going to get eaten. So I'm going to make some strawberry muffins. My husband actually comes home today. He's been gone since Tuesday. So as you can see, I always just move the pillows to the side every time he's not here, and then obviously it's just my side. So I'm gonna do maybe a couple of recipes. I want to do like a mango salsa today. It's really pretty outside. I'm gonna go ahead and start in here, and then probably after I'm done making this bed, head off to Publix before it gets kind of crazy. It is Saturday, so it does get kind of crazy, and it is so pretty. And I just noticed that our water is coming back. So every October-ish, the water goes down. So every time around this time, the water starts coming back. I think it's actually kind of early, I'm not sure, but we definitely have more water than we have the last couple of weeks. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. I have the living room to pick up, the kitchen, and then I want to do a couple of recipes. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. So on this day, I had woken up. This was Saturday morning. I woke up to finish everything that I did not do the night before or the day before. My husband was actually coming back home. He had been gone since Tuesday, so I wanted to make sure that I got everything nice and clean. I had some laundry, some groceries, and some recipes that I wanted to do on this day. So I went ahead and got up super early, knocked everything out, so I was able to enjoy the weekend with him. And we spent all day Sunday. We just went out and spent the whole day out away from the house, which is awesome. The only problem was the pollen. I am just super sensitive. But other than that, we had a great time and I got everything done.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
here is my little Publix grocery haul. Nothing too special, just got some milk, some OJ, some steaks, and I finally found some basil, but I ended up buying this one as well, just in case I don't have any, but I want to make my own pesto, so I grabbed 2 of those. Some salmon, some plantain chips, some cilantro, and of course some Lily's best chocolate. Some fresh mozzarella for some recipe. It's the little pearls or balls, whatever you want to call it. Sour cream, and then some cleaning stuff. Here, I finally got my little beads, so I'm going to fill that up here. And then my bubblies. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this up. Y'all, look how dirty these are. Sorry the washer is going, but these are gross. This is what all these 3 baskets had. Just wanted to share that. That is nasty. Make sure you're cleaning your baskets. All right, y'all, and here is my salsa. So I ended up using 1 mango, lemons, lime, 1 purple onion, and some cilantro. You can also add avocados and peppers, but I did not have all that, and I didn't really want all that. I just wanted to keep it simple. Oh my gosh, this was delicious. I finished it in 2 days. Like, it was super, super delicious. Also some salt and pepper and some vinegar, and that is it. You have yourself a nice little salsa here.
Every day, every night, every moment with you. I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
Y'all, and the next thing that I wanted to make were some muffins. So these strawberries were left in the refrigerator and I knew that they were not going to get eaten. I am allergic to strawberries and my husband does not like eating fruit. So I decided to make them into some muffins and some donuts, and my husband loved these. And I also sent some downstairs to my in-laws because they made way too much than I expected, but at least I was able to use these strawberries and they did not go bad.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Y'all, and once I was done scooping them into their pans, I went ahead and put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. And when they were done, y'all, they smelled so good. Of course, I didn't try it. My husband said they were delicious, but they did smell really good at the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.